Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to understand the architecture diagram of Ansible. What are all the key components of Ansible? How Ansible really works. So let's get started guys. Users. First component is users. User will run the playbook. In playbook there will be inventory and the task to be executed. And the next phase is Ansible Automation Engine. The Ansible Automation Engine consists of four components: API, core and custom modules, inventory, and plugins. After this phase, it will connect to the host via SSH port. Okay, via SSH module it will connect to the host. So let's correlate this architecture diagram with in our example. This is a basic playbook which is used to install AWS CLI. People who will be working with AWS will be really familiar with AWS CLI. It is just a component AWS CLI which will help us to retrieve all the data in our AWS account. Okay. Our playbook name is AWS CLI. Her host is test host. Okay, and we have used a function of a module gathering facts which is true. Okay, so we will be gathering all the facts in the host machine and we'll be retrieving all the details of all the packages installed in a host using this module. Okay, and then we have declared three tasks. The basic task, first task is to check the AWS status, that is this folder present or not. Shell, we have used a shell module which is what it is doing is it is going and doing this running this cd command in the host machine. Okay, so there is one more concept in the architecture diagram of Ansible is the node in which we run the Ansible playbook is a control node, and in which all the task is executed is a manage node. Okay, control node and manage node, two nodes. Okay, suppose you have installed you have installed Ansible in your host machine. So your host machine is control node, and you are suppose executing these all tasks, your playbook tasks on suppose two hosts, one host name one, host one. So that host one is a management. Okay. So these are the three tasks which we are executing. First task is AWS status. Second is AWS if CLI is not installed, and you will run these three commands. First, these commands are followed by we have followed the AWS documentation. Install AWS CLI. If you want to know what are these all tasks, these all commands do, you can go through the AWS documentation and read to be really familiar with all these commands. Okay, so it's just a basic. I've just given you a basic idea of Ansible's architecture, that what all are the components, how it works. So these are all the core components. This Ansible Automation Engine is the core component of Ansible. It's like the heart of Ansible's automation engine. All the things are automated. All the tasks are performed by this Ansible Automation Engine. So I hope that you have understood the concept of control node, manage node, Ansible automation engines, core components. And in the coming videos, I'm going to pick up these Ansible automation core uh, modules, core components of the Ansible's automation engine, and I will explain these components in detail. So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned and subscribe our channel, like our video. Thank you, guys. Let's meet up in the next video.